This is about the Australian Institute of Tropical Health and Medicine that was announced in the election campaign. It involves establishing an institute in North Queensland with the capacity to do research and be involved in training and field operations to limit the spread of emerging and re-emerging tropical disease in this bit of Australia. Tropical disease is re-emerging in Northern Australia as it is in some other developed countries, United States for instance. Largely because more people are travelling. There may be some changes in climate, but diseases that used to be limited to a small part of the world are now becoming global. We've seen the re-establishment of dengue fever, for instance. The hub actually has to be where the issue is. And there's no point flying samples across Australia to study them somewhere else. And the capacity needs to be built where the problem lies. What isn't really appreciated at this point is the scale of the threat. New types of mosquito that also carry dengue, called Aedes albopictus, has the capacity to change the way we live. So, for instance, how we have barbecues, how we bring up our children in a generation or so is dependent on these sort of things. In addition, albopictus can spread dengue. This is a way of Australia moving from a public health approach that is 3 decades behind where reality is to getting on the front foot and playing an important role in the region. This is not something that can be done on a shoestring, and that's what's been happening in the past. The spread of emerging tropical disease is way beyond playing a little pond.